Greetings. Welcome to our introductory class of our course that I'm so excited about, how to use the tarot, the Egyptian tarot deck. And this, you can use any deck that you have. However, we will be using the Egyptian tarot deck as it goes directly with the system, the Hermetic system that we are using. But you can use any deck that you can with this Hermetic system. And that's what this course is basically going to teach you, how to use the Hermetic system of the tarot. And you can get the book, you can get the tarot deck from the Church of Light at www.light.org, or you can order it off of Amazon or wherever it is that you may have it. Different stores carry it and so forth. However, if you get it from light.org, the price would be $18. That's the flat price, including no more tax, no more shipping and handling or anything. Just an $18 flat fee. And you also have the opportunity to get the book, The Sacred Tarot. It's a hardcover book. The hardcover edition is $25.95, unless the price changes, but it's still roughly around that price. A dynamic book. It goes through the entire Hermetic system of usage of the sacred tarot. The sacred tarot deals basically with the science of vibration, divination by numbers, divination by cards, and spiritual science. The science of vibration is talking about the science of number vibration, where you add up the numbers and everything that's in existence have a number that is associated with, and that number represents a particular vibration. And you can find all of the things that, or many of the things that are share that same vibration, and you can kind of see what works for what. Divination by numbers is what we often refer to as numerology, and it is a feminine or psychic science as opposed to just mathematical science. Spiritual science covers this whole spectrum. It is the philosophy, it is the psychology, and everything else that comes with the system. Divination by cards is our purpose for being here right now. This is your tarot cards, your oracle cards, and things of that nature. Now, there's a slight difference. In one of our classes, we're going to touch on the difference between the tarot decks, and really it's the difference between the tarot deck systems. Whereas we have the Hermetic system used by the Brotherhood of Light and the Church of Light, and then we have another system that is used, that's more common, that's used by the Rider Waite and Smith decks. Now, these courses inside of the Hermetics or the Church of Light covers magic, alchemy, and astrology. I put a cultism there. That's the, really pretty much the whole thing, but it's magic, alchemy, and astrology. Now, before you get started, you need to ask yourself an important question, or you may be asking yourself an important question: how to tell if I am psychic? Well, the answer to that is easy. All of us are. Everything that is human, everyone that is human has psychic abilities. However, we've been taught to ignore those abilities, and so they become underdeveloped. Now, if you want to know, can you use the tarot card? Sure. You may not. Some people have just a raw gift that they don't have to do a whole lot to develop, but they still have to develop and direct it. And if you don't have it that easy, you can still develop the skills of reading the tarot card. This system, how this system works, that's what we're going to go through. We're going to touch on all of the different components, how this system works, why this system works, so you'll know the ins and out of the tarot, not just flipping the cards, but you'll know why you are flipping the cards, what happens after you flip the cards, and how you actually get your answers. We're going to deal with the physical world, the borderland, as well as the astral world. We're also going to cover the world line, the noun point in front of the noun point and behind the noun point. In other classes, we're going to deal with the astral brain and symbols, and what to do when you are preparing to do your readings, what type of vibration attitude and the warnings that we're going to give, as well as the warnings about dialing wrong number and mediumship. I'm not going to spoil that, but that's going to be an interesting one. And then journaling. Journaling is an important part of developing your tarot skills, and we're going to show you how to journal and even give some tips on maybe some of the journals that may appease to you or even making your own. The tarot spreads, we have a multitude of tarot spreads that we're going to actually cover. Not just the yes or no, but we probably will start off with the yes or no. And there you have it. So I'm excited about it. We'll start getting these lessons out to you as soon as possible. Until next time, this is 313 Astrology TV. See you in 7.